Today we're holding a competition, a welding competition for the Skyview welding students, or the Nampa School District welding students. These kids are such good welders at the Skyview program that I give them no instruction. I'm giving them a blueprint and say, weld this part, and that's how they compete. And that's what they're going to find when they go into industry. You know, they're going to find that there's not someone teaching them all day. They're going to get a blueprint. They're going to have to build the part. It's impressive. It's neat. Some schools aren't to that level, but they're all working to get to that level. There's a lot of different programs that involve welding in other schools. Some are ag-related, so they don't get as much welding experience, but they're all doing a really good job in the CTE programs. So Nampa's got one of the best CTE programs in the state. They offer everything, and literally these kids can graduate high school and enter the workforce. I've found that it's just more beneficial to do hands-on, interact with the students, show them what our industry does, rather than rely on job ads. We're giving out prizes, welding hoods, tools, make it a competition to make it more fun. I look forward to it every year because I get to interact with the students, and normally I can fill my shop with any needed welders in the summertime. If we need extra help, I can get high school kids. And they enjoy it, and that's what we like about it.